Alright guys, so we'll show you a little bit about this clutch right here. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, we've got an 03 Cobra. We've got Chris here. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to his channel, go check it out. Kooler731, link down in the description. He's got a Coyote Swap 97 Cobra and also a 2020 F-150 four-wheel drive that he's playing with. So, guys, go check him out real quick. But anyway, guys, we've got an 03 Cobra, and we are going to be putting a Mcleod twin disc clutch. We're going to be putting the RST in. And then, of course, we got the Mcleod flywheel, all new parts we're going to be putting inside this 03 Cobra. I used to have one of these. I had a satin silver 03. This does bring back some memories. So, guys, what do you think about bringing a new edge to the channel? Something new and fun. No, the blue car is not going anywhere. The blue car is staying. It's not going anywhere. But I've been thinking about getting a daily driver, something I can drive around in. I've been thinking about getting another new edge. GT manual car I can roll some gears, have some fun in. So let me know what you think about that. But anyway, guys, we are going to go ahead and get started on this now. Alright guys, let's see if you can see this. I'll let Chris hold the flashlight. This throttle bearing, as you can see, this thing is supposed to spin. And as you can see, she is seized up big time. Alright guys, so we'll show you a little bit about this clutch right here. As you can see, yeah, it's done. It's done and done. And you can actually see on the pressure plate the grooves sitting in there. I mean, you can, if you can see that. But yep, she is done. But we're going to replace that with the Mcleod twin disc. One thing I want to go over real quick, if you're using a Mcleod twin disc, it does stick out further than the stock pressure plate setup, of course. So what I recommend is using a adjustable pivot ball. Now, I've got this one set in 1/4 of an inch further in than the factory pivot ball. And that's usually what works for 0304 Cobra with a twin disc Mcleod setup I found in the past. And I was worried about this being messed up due to the throttle bearing being seized, but everything is fine with it. Yeah guys, so got brand new pilot bearing in. I don't know if you can see that. Got brand new pilot bearing in, and now we're ready to put the clutch in. You ready?
Let's do this.
All right. All right, guys, we got the clutch in. We got everything adjusted. The pivot ball measurement was spot on. So we got everything adjusted. It does have a firewall adjuster. So I got the clutch adjusted kind of where I want it right now. However, it's been storming outside and it's raining right now. So I'm gonna wait till drive it down the road in the morning. Remember, we cannot get on it. Brand new clutch needs about 500 in-town miles before you get on it pretty strong. We will drive it enough to make sure everything's acting correctly and that we have the clutch adjusted properly. Go through a few gears and things like that. So guys, we will catch you in the morning. Hey guys, so got the car out, got the clutch adjusted. So just driving around, making sure all is good before we return it back to the customer. Like I said last night in the video, I cannot get on it because it needs a 500-mile break-in, give or take. But anyway, Mcleod says 500-mile break-in, preferably in town, and basically it's just clutch actuations that it actually needs. The clutch is doing great. This is actually a RST. I've always used the RXT, and I do like how it's not nearly as violent on the engage as the RXT.
I've not heard of this car yet.
Little whine. Yeah, as long as you don't go wide open throttle within the first 500 miles, you're good.
Yeah.
You do want to get on it a little bit, make sure it's going to hold something. But the car's doing great. All right, guys, we are back at the shop, and after driving this for a little while, it really does make me miss my 03 Cobra. Like I said earlier in the video, I am considering picking up another new edge. Now, I would not be buying the 0304 Cobra. Main reason is what I would end up doing with that new edge in the long run. It's not really ideal for an 0304 Cobra. But I do love the 0304 Cobra. And I had a satin silver 03, like I said earlier. I'll put a video clip up right here. On the dyno back in the first ever mod nationals that was held in Memphis, Tennessee. Put down like 470 horsepower, just pulley, exhaust tune, mild setup for an 0304 Cobra. But anyway, guys, let me know down in the comments what you think about picking up another new edge. Just a fun street daily car right now, manual, something to bang some gears and have a lot of fun in. And then down the road, who knows what happens. But for right now, we've got the blue car, and it's sitting right out here. It is cold and windy, or I'd be out there, but it's sitting right there. And I do have a modification coming for it. It should be in the next video, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe to Kooler731, and we'll see you guys next time. I do miss being in a manual car, I'm not going to lie. Wouldn't mind having a new edge manual, I'll tell you.
Yeah, so guys, if you happen to know where one's for sale, shoot them an email, speedaddict731@gmail.com.
What did you start to say? Speed what?
Speedmaster.
Speedmaster? I've been called a lot of things. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back. What is going on, everyone? It's so easy. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we are working on a 03 Cobra. Yes. So that sucked. So damn way. Out of my damn way. Give me some room. All right. Flip it around. Yeah, flip it around. What is up? Whoa, 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 whoa! Is that on the right one? Yep. All right. Take two. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to